Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to update your iOS 12.4 jailbreak utility of choice, whether it be Unc0ver or Chimera. If you have yet to jailbreak iOS 12.4, definitely check out our dedicated tutorial to do so, linked in your cards now as well as down below in the description. Now you might be wondering, well, why would I be interested in updating? I mean, I'm already jailbroken, I already have Cydia, shouldn't I be good to go? Well, the answer might not be as simple as yes or no. See, in a recent update, hacker Pwn2Own actually pushed out version 3.6.0 and then subsequent releases 3.6.2 and 3.6.2+1 to the Unc0ver jailbreak, the former actually being a complete rewrite of the jailbreak from the ground up, more or less. And that would actually require a full reinstall of the Unc0ver jailbreak app itself, the latest version, however you choose to actually deploy your jailbreak app, whether it be an on-device method or through your computer via a USB cable and Cydia impactor. So I'm going to show you guys how to update the easiest way on device. If you're interested in how to actually update through the computer and Cydia impactor, which is also pretty easy, down below in the description, I will have our tutorial linked for how to prevent app revokes once you are jailbroken and how to essentially get things set up so your app is constantly and always signed no matter what. That tutorial will actually show you how to install via impactor, and it also has a good extra at the end showing you what to do with reprovision to essentially get your app permanently signed. So I also recommend watching that if you're actually installing this via the computer method. But you'll notice here that for Unc0ver I do have the latest version already, but if I didn't, all I would have to do is just delete the jailbreak app. Don't worry, deleting the app will not get rid of your jailbreak whatsoever. So you actually have to perform a full unjailbreak to actually set things back to stock iOS. I'm also going to delete Unc0ver. I'm going to show you guys how to download both. It's actually super easy. You can use this utility that I found semi-recently. I will have it linked down below in the description below our jailbreak tutorial article on Best Tech Info. That Best Tech Info has the link, and the direct link to this will also be below. So once you navigate to this tool, you're just looking for that big red download button for either Chimera, which should be the first link, or Unc0ver, which should be the second. So I'm going to do both, starting with Unc0ver. You just tap on download, followed by install to the pop-up. And I'm going to do the same thing for the Chimera, install. And we're going to go to the home page, and you'll see that it puts both apps on a blank spot on our device's springboard. This is the on-device distribution method. The process on the computer utilizes, again, Cydia impactor. But through that tool, it will just appear as a grayed out icon saying waiting. Once that's done, it's actually downloading, then it will move on to installing. It'll actually have a little wheel go all the way through, and then you should have the latest version of either the Unc0ver or the Chimera jailbreak. To verify, all you have to do is launch it up, but because my Apple ID was previously signing these two applications, what you might have to do is go inside of settings, followed by general, and then you're going to scroll down to profiles and device management, and you're actually going to tap into it, followed by trust, and then trust again on that developer enterprise certificate. Remember, this is the on-device distribution method, so it does utilize a developer enterprise certificate to actually get this thing installed. And now, once you open it up, you can confirm that you are in fact on the latest version. I'm just going to switch to the light mode there inside of Unc0ver, and it's really just as easy as that. Also, you do want to make sure that you are checking frequently inside of either Cydia or Cilio for updates. Inside of Cydia, you will find those down below at the bottom for changes, and then you're just going to tap on refresh in the top left-hand corner. And once you do that, Cydia should contact all of your sources, and any major or key updates that Pwn himself pushes through Cydia will be available there. And again, the steps for checking inside of Cilio are very, very similar. And if you have any major updates, they will appear as essential updates, and you want to make sure that you install all of those that are available. So guys, that's how to update your jailbreak on iOS 12.4. Again, super easy stuff. And if you actually want to switch from one jailbreak to the other, let's say I wanted to actually try out Cilio instead of Cydia, what you can do is follow our UnJailbreak tutorial to remove the Unc0ver jailbreak and then re-jailbreak utilizing Chimera. And of course, you can also go back the other way as well. If you're on Chimera with Cydia, you can actually go to Unc0ver with Cydia. Again, follow our UnJailbreak guide linked down below in the description as well as in your cards. And I do highly recommend utilizing reprovision to get this thing signed with your own Apple ID, so that way if and when the developer enterprise certificate is revoked, actually not if, rather when, that way you won't be locked out of using your jailbreak utility. Again, our guide for that can also be found below. Everything linked in the description. Be sure to subscribe if you guys have yet to for more great jailbreak coverage. And until next time, this is ICU signing out.